Hi, so this is a voiceover because the audio of this clip of me screen recording is gone. So now I'm just gonna voice over. So basically, you go to Chrome and you search McDonald's delivery on your search bar, of course, just like that. And then you click the first link that comes up. It's probably your country, so you click that. And make sure you have a McDonald's near your place or just in your city. So now you're taken to this home page. Go to the search bar and search for what you want. I wanted a chicken fillet, so yeah, I searched that. I love chicken fillets. And then after your search, it's gonna ask for your location. So like you're gonna put it on the map. I'm obviously gonna blur this out because I don't wanna know my location, obviously. Some creeps here on the internet, you know. But gonna put your address there. It doesn't have to be that specific. You just have to give notes to the rider on what's the color of your house, what's near your house. Once you're done, you click confirm location, and then you have to select delivery, pickup, or the third one I can't read because the quality is horrible. And then you can schedule or get it now. Once you're done, you can click the store. You can select the store that is in your city, the McDonald's store in your city. So yeah, I clicked the nearest one, and now you just have to confirm your location. And then after that, you can go back to searching. So it's gonna give you many options. I was on a budget of 200 below, so yeah, I clicked the cheapest one. Not really the cheapest one because I wanted fries as well. Yeah, I clicked the one with Coke. I clicked the one with the drink, rice, chicken fillet, and fries. So once you click the image of what you want, it's gonna take you here where you can select your drink meal size and your drink size. But then you can also select your fries if the meal has one. I selected the cheesy one, and then you can also select some add-ons. I selected the apple pie for my grandmother because she likes those. Once you're done, you can click add to my bag, and then it's gonna add it to your bag on the right side of your screen. And after that, you can see the shipping fee and how much it costs. The shipping fee bumped up my order payment, but I have a senior discount. Well, not mine, of course, it's my grandmother's, but I can use it to get a discount, and it will lower it so that it will fit my budget. So now after that, you can click proceed to checkout. It's gonna ask you to sign in or create an account, but you can also order as a guest, which is what I did if you're too lazy to make an account. But now here you can put in your information like your first name, your number, your last name. You can confirm your location. Your order summary is there as well. So now I'm just putting in my details, which I'm probably gonna blur. Now here's the part where you can add notes to your driver to what's near your house, or like what's the color of your house, the color of your gate. So I just put in my details there so the driver knows where it is, and so that he doesn't deliver it to the wrong house, obviously. You can also add other notes for the food, like no pickles, no good other stuff. You can pick whether it's residential or office type. You can also request cutlery. This is the part where you can add a coupon. I'm just putting in my grandmother's senior discount code here. It's not a discount code, it's a card. After that, you can select your coupon or your discount, and then it's gonna change the order total. As you can see, it is below 200. I fit in my budget. After you have put all your details, now you can add on how much you're gonna pay so they know how much change they're gonna give you. And you can also select how to pay. For this store, cash on delivery was the only one allowed. After that, place order on the bottom of the screen. Make sure everything is correct, double check stuff, and after that is gonna take you here where you can track your order. So basically there's order confirmed, order is being delivered, order delivered, and it also gives you an estimated time to when it arrives, but they're always wrong anyway, so don't trust them. Do not trust them. And it also gives you an order summary, so you know what you ordered, you remember what you ordered, and you can cancel your order at the bottom of the screen, the big red, and basically you can track it. Yeah, that's very cool of them. I like the little animation. But that's all you need to know on how to order from McDonald's. It's really easy if you now know what to do. So you can double check the video if you got confused on some parts. You can slow it down. But I really hope you got it all figured out. So leave a like and subscribe if you want more how-to videos. So bye!